So today is about lemon dill chicken with bell peppers. Let's get started. So we're going to start with the chicken to prepare it to cook. You're going to unsheath your knife and you're going to take the chicken and always hold the knife with your thumb out like that. So you'll just kind of repeat the process over all the tenders. It's good to use about a pound. They'll serve anywhere from, depending on how hungry you are, 2 to 4 people. If you do 2, you'll probably have some good amount of leftovers with this meal. Next up, vegetables. First, we're going to take the lemon. And we're just going to cut this guy in half. So all we're really using is the lemon juice from this. I'm going to set this aside. Then next, we're going to take the green pepper. You want to take it on the side, cut the top off. You want to take the seeds out. Just reach in there, grab those guys out, set those aside. Get all the seeds out, all the white parts. Okay. Make sure there's no seeds left. Turn that guy upside down for a minute. Pop the top off, out of it. Then you got everything you need to cut for the green pepper. Okay, set that aside. Next, we're going to do the same thing, the red pepper and the yellow pepper. Now, we're ready to chop. You're going to take this guy, cut it in half. Cut it in half again. Cut it in half again. You're going to repeat the process with all the peppers. Okay? You can even take all of these and just start chopping. Next, you're going to take the dill, and honestly, the best parts of it are the actual leaves. You can get a real fresh smell from the leaves. And if you cut it up real fine, it'll ensure you get more of the taste into your food because you're getting the juices out. Next, we're going to take your chicken that you already chopped up and take some of the dill and slightly sprinkle. Mix it in. And now we're ready to cook. You're going to want to put it on a nice right below medium. Then you're going to want to take just a little bit of butter, maybe about 2 teaspoons. Let that get up in there. So you have a nice coat. And then you're going to take your chicken, Drop that in there. Then you're going to take the lemon, and you're just going to finely squeeze just a little bit. Get some of that lemon juice in there. It's about half of each one. Stir that around a little bit. Now we're at the fine point. We're going to cover this up. Now it's time for the vegetables. Okay, next we're going to take a little bit of butter. Throw it in here for sauteing all your veggies. Get a little bit in there. And then we're going to take veggies, toss them on in. Mix them around a little bit. Make sure you get butter all over them. Looks like our chicken's doing really good here. Got it on lower temp. At this point, you can leave it uncovered so we can let some of this burn off. Next we're going to take a little bit of that dill. Sprinkle it all about. Now we're ready to plate everything up. Gonna take a little bit of the chicken. With some of the veggies. And there you go.